So welcome back to the channel. On the 14th of November 2016 we're looking at the 4:30 at Newcastle, a 6 furlong handicap, and we've already made a couple of trades on two horses. Now first of all, before we get into those two, we'll have a look at the favourite. The favourite is Compass Scooby, trained by Roger Varian, and this one won a maiden last time out and is trading around about 4.9, 5.0. Now it is quite dangerous to take maiden form into handicap company, and if you do that in the long term, then you're going to suffer more losses than you profit. So we're going to ignore the favourite on this occasion, and we're going to concentrate on the two outsiders. Me and My Shadow, we traded at 29, and we laid that one off at 24 for £10 stake. And Sir Domino we also traded at 38.76 and laid that off at 32 for the same stake. So we're in a position now where we've got potential profit on both horses. Now we've got three options for the race from this point. First of all, we can trade out now and make a small profit on the race. Secondly, we can wait for the market to establish closer to the race and see if the price gets pushed in, see if any of these two horses get backed, or we can play in running. We can also maybe take the profit or potential profit and just let the horse run its race with the figures shown on the page. So those are the options we're going to have. We can also retrade the horses if they go back out to the price that we want, and me and My Shadow seems to be getting backed in as soon as it goes up to 27.28. So Domino likewise is getting backed in round about 36.38. So that would be the point where we might start trading again, but for the moment we're going to leave the market. 40 minutes to race time. We'll come back a little bit later and see what the market has decided. Now because this is a beginner's tutorial, we're still playing for £5 stakes, but if you obviously want to play lower for the minimum £2, that's up to you. And also if you want to increase the stakes, if you get more confident with your trading and you want to increase the stakes again, do that. But if you are new to the game, then I suggest you do watch a few more videos before you start increasing your stakes.
Fully
we're about
matched.
25 minutes away from post time, and we're getting back to the position on Me and My Shadow of 29, and we have traded that again at that price. And we're also putting in a £5 trade on Sir Domino at 50 because the market seemed to push up quite quickly. So we're going to put that in at 50 and hope we can get some trades there. We might just take a slightly lower price. But Me and My Shadow, we traded at 29. We're also going to trade now at 30.
Fully matched.
And we're going to load the market at 32, 34 and 36. So we've got £10 to get rid of on Me and My Shadow. I'm going to put those in at 28 and 27, and hopefully we'll get a few more trades on both horses before the off. So that's the position. We're going to trade round about these prices and we'll come back in a little while. You can definitely see as we get closer to post time that the market starts to become a little bit more volatile. We could trade the other prices early because the market was lacking in liquidity, so we were able to trade quite easily at those prices. But as we get closer to post time, the market will decide the position for the horses, and then you have to alter your opinion of what price you think the horse is going to go to. So we had an opinion of Sir Domino of 40 and we ended up putting the price in at 50. So you have to be a little bit flexible in terms of moving your money around as the market dictates. So we've traded out on Me and My Shadow. I'm just going to take £2 hedge on the market. I'm going to leave us with a little bit of money left in for Me and My Shadow in the race itself, and we're going to concentrate on Sir Domino. It's quite difficult sometimes as a beginner to concentrate on more than one horse, so it's best if you can to just cash out on one of them and concentrate on the other while you're waiting for the race to start. So we're going to now concentrate all our efforts on Sir Domino, and we've got £15 traded in the market, and we've got the lay side loaded up there at 50, 48 and 46. So if we can get out with those 15, then we'll do the same with Sir Domino that we did with Me and My Shadow. So we're now fully traded out on both horses, and you can see the profit there on Sir Domino, 277 potential profit. And you can see from the graph that the price did actually break free of the 40 that we were originally looking at. So we took the money out, we followed the run on the lay side and put the bets in a little bit higher, like we said before. And you have to have confidence that the market is going to adjust and come back in, and that's what happened. We took quite a lot of the prices way up to 60, 65, 70, and then eventually the market will come back down if the form is strong and the price is strong enough. So we've now got the position where we can again take another lay bet in the market. We're going to lay that for £2 at
fully
55. Matched. And we're now in a position, if we lay that again,
fully matched,
where we've got £4 profit on the race, whatever horse wins. We've got £32.53 if Me and My Shadow wins, and Sir Domino will bring us in 62.6. So we've got a profit on the race. We've just traded these horses. We've been quite mindful with Sir Domino because of the breakout on the chart. And when you see that sort of thing happening, when you see a build-up of money on the left with very little on the right, then it's best to take your money out and let the market ride up, and then pick up the prices when you think the market is finished going in the northerly direction. So that's the position we're in for the start of the race. I don't think we're going to do much trading before the race starts. We're still about 15 minutes away, so it is feasible that we could do a little bit more trading, but we're happy with the position we're in, and Me and My Shadow is running for us. We've also got Sir Domino, and if those two don't perform, then we've still won a little bit on the race. So that's it, the position at the moment. And we may well hang on and see what the price does during the race, and it's always good to know what price these horses come down to in running for future betting. So that's it for now, and I'll come back a little bit shortly. Okay, we're about 12 minutes away from the race itself, and what we've decided to do, we're going to try and lay these two horses in running. Now we've got £32.53 to play with on Me and My Shadow, so we've put the £10 in at a trading price of 3, and so Domino's trading price is at 6.2, and we'll need to right click on that for the in keep, and that will put the K next to the horse on this section. So that's the position we're in. We are now going to settle for that position, and we're going to win whatever the results. Hopefully these two might run decent races and come down to the prices that we want. Now we put this £10 in at 6.2 on Sir Domino purely because we've got more money to play with than Me and My Shadow. So that's 62.6 and Me and My Shadow at 32.53. And I've put the profit and loss caption up so you can see exactly the position on all the 14 runners in the race. And if you look now at the price of Sir Domino, with 3 minutes to post time, Sir Domino's price has collapsed again back down to 32. So the price we looked at originally of 40 was round about the mark, and after that it went up, skyrocketed up to 70, and now it's come back down to the 32. So there could have been quite a lot of good trades on the horse, and we did get a few decent trades, but if you wanted to trade a little bit more, then you could have done on Sir Domino and you would have been rewarded for that. We were happy with the profit we had. We're not going to be greedy on the race, and it just shows you that the prices, when they go out, they don't always show that the horse is not going to be supported. So just bear that in mind. If you're getting a good price, take the price and then wait for the market to turn. If you look at the price on Compass Scooby, the price is generally drifting out from 4.3, 4.4 up to 7.4, 7.6. So there was no real confidence in the favourite. Doesn't mean that it won't win, it just means that the form doesn't really add up and there was no real confidence in the horse in this race. So we're looking at the 6 furlong race, and here is about the 3 furlong marker, and 1.5 furlongs out is about here. So if the prices are going to come down to what we've put in running, then we needs to be getting taken round about this mark. I don't think it'll come down before then, so we should be looking at when the green line reaches Telavoy here, and we should know our fate by then. So the price is off, the race is going, and we'll just watch the 2 horses with an eye on Compass Scooby, just see how that performs. So about 1.5 furlongs, maybe 2 furlongs gone. Me and my shadow 34, so Domino 32. Compass Scooby is round about its price that it was before the race, so we're up to more or less halfway now. Since Sir Domino go down to 8.8, hasn't reached the 6.2 yet that we put it in at. There is time yet, but it's maybe a little bit too late now. The price is beginning to drift on both horses. And Compass Scooby is also drifting. So the 2 horses that we played on were beaten. So Domino did come down to 8.8, so it's just outside our in-running play. And the favourite is also beaten off. So that was that. So we did the trade on the 2 horses. We didn't fancy the favourite Compass Scooby. We thought that would drift in the market, which it did. We've won a little bit on the race. We were very, very close to laying Sir Domino in running during the race. It came down to 8.8, and we had the in-running price at 6.2. So a little bit unlucky, I would say, in that sphere. So that's the video for today. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks to all the subscribers that are coming on board. And like I said in the last video, if we can get up to 100 subscribers, then we will look at doing a few live streams for you. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you for the next video.